Tonight, I'm very pleased to welcome a man who has been an incredible champion for so many of these values that we all share, and we've shared them for a long time. He's very low-key. He's a very low-key person, but he's highly respected. He is a great person. I've known him for so long. Robert F. Kennedy, Jr. And he's going to help make America healthy again.
President-elect Donald Trump said Thursday that he will nominate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as Secretary of the Health and Human Services Department. If the Senate approves Kennedy, the former independent presidential candidate will lead a sprawling department responsible for the huge Medicare and Medicaid health coverage programs, the Food and Drug Administration, the National Institutes of Health, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.